It's so dirty, like it is, but it's so cool.
Here we go. Check it out.
Eyes.
Check it out.
Never been this close to a shark, right?
Wow. Now, apparently, we forgot to clean the windows. So here's how you do it.
Oh, look, you can see the difference.
So people can see out. But you got to do it by hand. And this shark's going to give them a little bit of help
Wait, so now, why is he in with the sharks?
because they don't. Sharks, they're still like any other fish. They don't bite you. He's not even worried about them.
That's crazy.
How deep is this, Tommy?
Looks like it's about 25 feet.
Yeah.
He's like, that looks delicious. Here comes another one, look at him. And here comes a big nurse shark. Oh yeah, that worked out great.
He needs